40 311 311 0540 311 311 and a drink here back up a miso food drink and a misa 5G. Na yaka misa 5G a drink a man said jatum ya friend semensia and the udi dwumadie bi na dwumadie ubeu se bre oma uni pedra no o ye kese na se o pe drink be na ne srade no ama ho atimi towa eno anso benya misa 5G na wan mama bibia eso atimi ayekama na bia so atimi akoye di ama eno de tema me nkwa homa no so na minni enkomo emra me ba me de akanya be to so de manya Heart of Folk supporter kese pa ewo ahoma no so ye friend wayo me ni nkwadi nkomo fa Heart of Folk omu demonstration supporters no share so no said ye ko ye ne de omu penom nsaka ya na ye hwede ye ko wayo teme nka Sompa so ne kuma se ye mo ha emu akwaba. Hello wayo. Hello wayo. Hello wayo. Nyami atumo utimenka. Yeah, hwese biabe. Se bibia bokode. Me bacho ye toto no ma hwese no ma ebedem na yakone ne Heart of Folk supporter ye fe no wayo ene demonstration omo koya na omo hwese omo pe new board members no said ye kone said ye tie de na omo pe ne timi ba so because ene ewo ye medro show no so no me the video bi brewa na some of the supporters are mobilizing ewo obra sport ewo Kwame Nkrumah circle interchange no so a ni nyina no na ye di hun commercial me be fine na me catch say Miza 5G no drink bia onya bi no ma wo ya ade akra no wa bro ye adwuma na wo pante sade doso ni pedua no onya bi no be bo apatist ni ye kama wo da utimi da ye o so Sompa oni pedua bi bia de ye bia hye ye guarana no wom grapes ni ye jensen na green tea no be ma no ma timi nom de from pabo adwuma 0246 270221 0246 270 ofra babia obia Dr. Silas ene emranten mabawane di na monten so a omo pai ankrofo tuagu so omo 20 babia na bia no ushoma no atobi program bia no eno a ena ewo so ene ye Misa 5G ena demerwafo no nom apemfo no nom ayaresabia ukosoro bi no amfa bia nkwa obedwa no so ye miso fruit drink ye flavors dodo na esuwom eno ye pineapple flavor ena mango flavor nyabi nom na bianye fine omo adaroma de shootout no eso e de bro na bibia eso etimi aye fanfa ye hwese no mabedi dam na ye ne wayo ebedi nkomo concerning Heart of Folk omo demonstration of fans no ene omo ye no na bia so etimi aye fine eno de etia ye de ema me hwese this time round normal edidema na ye ni enkomo kakra na yeguso nas ehwe na bia so e fine and amanfo kaso oak tree no said the nya buama ne prana if say supporters no and show up omo amasa ebetoto no ma atwa ma bibia eso atimi ayekama yeguso atoto no ma mamfa nsema odu a ya boaboa no e shootout dwumadie so e wa fisem no engu form emfa emamo ye rom 13th African Games enche na ebe shase o man Ghana mu a na ni nyina na se urowura mu aka na makomako dumiensa 13 days na 13th African Games no eso Baba Shas on the 8th of March. Now Brevi on the 23rd of March. Now Kororoma so far per reporter Eba and say yes expecting over 12,000 certified athletes. And so for my jatum as almost a bagan how my ready a year 13th African Games Ghana ye hosting on betuma baby Roma be kama me pacho one or MC Fantos na yen twede e koda bibia enye kama if say a year 13th African Games no man nyina de demo a is a 13 days na bibia eso eye kama bibia eso e kwa wano a say over 12,000 certified athletes and they say normal de demo mo kona so far about 29 event and a say a bit more cost for your athletics badminton mama say wayo at the demo wayo what mean ka hello wayo asemo so far a year 13th African Games Accra 2023 wayo ba cha what mean ka but me say wayo eje so but yes we nya feedback no ha badminton cycling swimming table tennis saso and tennis and your triathlon and wrestling wrestling your beach volley saso basketball and boxing your chess cricket football handball your hockey judo saso carrot do okay wayo good afternoon once again.
Fine afternoon.
Nice one. Bibiabo kwa de.
Bibiabo.
Where de ewie frewa enya bone na no me no di nkomo e ma mo side eye flyer bi babo nti se ne Hearts of Oak supporters no mo be ye kire e de a kire empanyimfo ni nyina no se mo pe new board members mo sa pe se mo revive the soul of Hearts of Oak na ne ye hu se demonstration no mo yes am be hihya so na etimi ba so e ba so mo taya ne esimu anim no no na mutimi achivu ya se ne si kwaye boye nkire mu kakra
Mitia Accra supporters na omo kumasi na mechi omu na ene kwa idea nsem ene demonstration aye ni panyifo mu ma mu nkola ni wayo kwa mire wu wayo ena wu we ebeze we ma sample kwa omu nyina opia ba beta ma ese kwa ni pa ba o ena ye ko dize ya o tu ya peja adu ba kwa na ye kwa ti se for the board no o matro 14 years ye mu ade papa bia o maye ye ma board sin trasa 14 years na wu shi abela so na be kan pa mi sapere kita board no o do tay akabi na o tamaku o mu ko board meeting ye se ya mo ko mi sapere to o mi press conference o mi se na to na so mu bia o mu na ye e da so mu ko Abidjan mo ko fada mu fa play mo ke mu teti na mo na airport mu di ha bosika na mo da ko coach aba obi edi mo je na o da bi ate se ye capital for na ye na ye de sisan for ye ni twe obi di ate kwa enne ka se no santo foi como kai bi first di ate for teta na o na ye coach se do da tipo fi sano mo ye tika mo so ko ye bana di ba ye ko bitue ko we ye nyama bo zanzana ye tuma de ka funu ndi we no ese ye na to go to ade ba ko ze 40 years ni tebia to mo akoje lo wa ko di lo so ko te ye ni lo no do na wa ko je so ko ni 20 years 20 years ni ana ko ka te ni na ese no so so le treba 5 years ye te wonka tebia lu gumbe ye te wonka so that is je ko no mu tre e ko di amna no ma tre ni na ni fi ni na board na kaza pe board du akabilo de pe board du ungu board no ye fa di pa fro enu sa bra na de gira so
ye nim sa demonstration there mo ye ni sia na mo de mo petition na e ko na je wo keka nyina no mo de go krata so na mo ko submitin wo hen na info so na sia ma o mo je mo petition no
kama ye ko no ye ko ye o ni ko je ko sia me ka sei ni ko sa me ye no e bi ma ti mo afiri wo kura be na mo ka sei ko su lo su we de makasa nzima ma we makasa o preku ma be pri le mo se ka we je ko na o ya ka me flow ka me kasa kura bi ma pre njapara ya ko seri mo no wala be tu won ji ko taru da hu so won ji ko bo da no wo je se tayi mo ya be bo pan secretary te bo pan ne na ko mo pan o bi e gana na moza ha so bo de yen de ye tsa kai da ko ye ba yen san ye ti o tsa ba ba ya to da do yen san ye ti ye ba straight ni apa akabi aka bɛfono no aka bi aka bɛfono no sɛ dɔ kasa biara ne afa sɛ pa yi yɛ gyae hwɛ na wo pa yi mu sɛ sɛ mpɛ bia sa kwa obi a watimi ɔyɛ pasa kɔ bɛka asɛm no
aw
sɛ woyɛ bini woyɛ
wayo wonyini sɛ words na use no ano ɔdene so what say awesome heart to folk
mesi tiɛ kɔ meka mesi obi a watimi kɔ kasa asɛm no manka sɛ ɔno mesi obi a watimi kɔ kasa asɛm no sɛ watete no
wayo obi bɛka sɛ supporters no mompere mo ho dodo ɛsɛ nanoa na new MD baeɛ nanoa na ɔmode coach foforɔ so aba
me ma wo kɛsɛ ndɛ bia saa wo fa nyɛ nyɛ ko fa lende wo de ba enu wa yi ana ma pam no mi ma pam no ko wo de andi bia ba akɔ ko fa ba da bo nse kuse obi ani no me ba bi ofi da bo nse kuse do da ba tra so ya tra ko no ko wo ya ba tra ko no ko wo da na ade de on pe da na fo me tiasie se da na fo ko we o mu ni ma ka bi ni o do ta ni o we no nto mo ko kwan ma ko ko place yi ma uni ma de ma ko o disia akabito local players no de jako to volley players amu pra no oro de ko to volley players ne ba kaba aka uni kabati mo mo no a obi adini kabano e kapita ni o se o pese o yi sokoto uzo no so jimmo uti ana go fa ko bisu ba pe ya san ya chin ana go ma undi ndiri boda na o de koye ya chin ya san o ya san ya chin striker we striker ba bu ko ba de do so akọ ebi ba bi o fi bia o do se de ba o ko ko ti bia pa so a no apam no ye ti mo fo bi wa ha ya na ye mo fo bi wa en ti mo fo bia ai bi o ko fa ni nyina fa bu jire o mba ya na opo na wu ya ko o mo ti mu nya juma no this got too much aka bi ye bia o do te first no o ba heart en ye pam no so ya de na ti fe ko je no na ti fe ko pam no no ga so pa politics o ba ye gadi ko to pon oba ya ko one step de pam no ne president Yakubu Adofaa say deputy minister no so pam no ne president president the as we do hon we e to ba man dan what we trade center ojo o ya ju bia as la no bi aka bi so rara pa un ne bi o kana o machi ti ni wa free oko o we o mai oko to na onya da tabia ono fi ya kakra who know that I can't be in the place free? I put to place bears at 3-4 people by go to them. Training come on you, the two of a couple of me. Why, deɛ woka nyina misɛ mu grievances no ebi ne deɛ mo pɛ so mo yɛ ma mo na yɛnim sɛ nkɛba ha to folk a yɛnim sɛ national chapters committee no ɛna represent the supporters no na Elvis Herman mo wɔ hen ɛne mpanyimfoɔ no aka no ɔmo wɔ hen Herman no ɔma nkyɛ nisa bɔ n'akyi how did they getting time my time I will give you but we are going to fight supporters no ye ka pro ye post ya wo ye ni show tie fight supporters no jeke say supporters ke ribeji e na ye fight mo mo we chama e ke no wan you masa bi agu say be to ba no o do gbo fa ko ni
na se o se mo gusu a mo ko ankran e se mo du hen na
yo ko ti tere ti wo area o yo na ye e ya spread you is it ya spread house ni ya spread house supporters no mother ni ba nya bro sha woni nya banka wa jada de chewati so to beno woni ono ko to no won shiri papa so ka go ti e be demonstration no e no ka so o de we ba match ke fi match e match the best investment ya match ya so to la bu set to go with my match ya na bo se
wayo yabeda se e wo sompa abra oni adi nkomoyi na monye ye wo reporter so mu di machi de be pem bia no ye be sane mo di nkomo
me pese me na ma so fa se mo premier na me di ma pop ani na ma mo ai
all right yada se pa ye koye any heart to folk supporter we stanch supporter wayo ene ni kodi nkomo eba demonstration omo ye na odi mu ntintima pa ene watwa mfonyini no ene sede ekono eso edi amaye ne yamfa nsem awdo aboabo ano no engu fam emfa mama medical dia to anim ese aka 13 more days na 13th African Games no eba abashase o man Ghana mu ha shase on the 8th of March na brawe 23rd March na so far expecting over 12,000 certified athletes and omo ebe representing various nations ewo Ghana ha na so far be 29 events and you say ebe kwaso ewo 13th African Games no yebenya athletics yebenya ebi Olympic qualifiers ebi say athletics, badminton, cycling, swimming, table tennis, also triathlon and wrestling upiema non-Olympic qualifiers no ebi arm wrestling, your beach volley, your basketball, your boxing, your chess, your cricket, football, handball, and your hockey, your judo, karate do, and your rugby, taekwondo, and your volleyball, and weightlifting, and uramswa demonstration games, ebi e-sport, your mixed martial art, and your pickleball, and yawo gambu, and yawo speedball. Nina event ebetodwa 13th African Games na nuna urama Ghana ni abante bakwa even Joseph Paul Amwa obaka 2022 Commonwealth Games no waje bronze medal Edma Ghana wa confirm jamaye ese obaba be compete na event bay ena obaba abe room.
Hello lovely people of Ghana, it's Joseph Paul Amwa, your 200-meter bronze medalist at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham 2022. I feel happy, blessed, and honored to announce that I'll be competing for Ghana in the 200 meters at the All African Games in Accra.
Let's walk confirm my say about 200 meters obeba be compete ewo 2023 African Games no Ghana your bronze medalist 2022 Commonwealth Games no Joseph Paul Amwa no na yengrom fan sama do ngu fam so football mu mamwa owramu Prof JK Minta when the Ghana Football Association technical director any obuzan so pani say adi dwuma de na ma no dey and I would ba on board yente Prof Minta.
That is out there for me to work on, but first I'll pick on the fundamentals. Because what I've realized is that if you get a foundation right, building on it becomes very easy. Another area is to look at how best we can restructure our directorate in terms of the technical directorate to bring in other professionals in there. Then another one will be the women or the ladies or the girls department, which we need to continue. Now our black queens are doing very well, but you need to have a plan to be able to sustain that performance.
And no, I Prof JK Minta, Ghana Football Association technical director, and no, Jawadeba Ababwa, your football no there to and watch them as a prof. Na legacy bay and I be person be jatu so brand so na wo kwa ye be board say once upon a time ye nya technical director bo efi na dey say and we to MI.
The legacy I would like to leave is to see a Ghanaian playing like a Ghanaian. What I mean by that is that we possess to attack, we possess to defend, we transition based upon the principles of play and the moments of the game. So we should play good football, both attacking and defending, and still be getting the results. And that is where I want to see Ghana to be at by the time I leave this seat as the technical director of the Ghana Football Association. The legacy I would like to
nice one there. What's the legacy of us with Joe? Said Rebecca said once upon a time, you're technical director of Ghana Football Association. Ne bresono ne bo good football. You defending papa. Ya attack papa, your football no akrono, ye koba bia ye boma ne ye fe, eno eya de person wo jato edemaye. Na Black Stars after the AFCON, ye pam ye coach ye very Chris Hilton. Na ye pa 5-member committee, ese omunyi e coach maye. Na per reporter e ban say interviews so mu ye coaches so mu submit to applications no. Coach even Otu Ado, and a Soviet score na or score ye no. yes e was soro pe Divya Bana say oye favorite as a Black Stars coaching job no nsa ebetimi aka ene so far de ba no and a great ampon enyuntuni ampon so akasa was a Black Stars no munim ese eduabo bi daso na yentie great ampon
na enu osi yetufu atia yetufu na sawantia achimbibenuwa ya usana ya kachi bi kai when later dim nation da fumu tim fata ngala ko bi must franchise na because now the say you na we no say na we fi no la ko bombo oni mo ko si do japa pa ke so en pa ke be na ko mamu en ti so na so ni media chile enya ko say na bio dio na mo ka so ko ja na so mini
and you a great ampon or say boys no de anyom na bibio na de odi no ko peja ne nsa so wa wini no ono ene de no me abeka ye Black Stars no eno wie no obo eso say afutuo de magana fo nyina e ba kope ebe ya sa ayu family no omo en retire
me ana me kan am for say e bi am me promise na do omo ye am papa be fie ye am papa be fie me promise e wi ate uye bi na bra no wacha ni na mimi adwanye o kan para mi no eno nti o prefer yes dia wa control kwampo bo say omo te prayer ni omo omo retire
ebeya ayu brothers no Jordan ni dede be omo retire free Black Stars no tietia na Romo Heart Foka omo second round omo nya press crodom omo senya Ivorian coach no anano mo hwa omo ne team omo free home Stars FC 4 no mo dia mo Kashala Ramos pa Suraj pa nantane kasa omo dey say omo the 3 goalkeepers and ababeka ho omo de Kwesi Inketia Saso ena Sharif Swab ena omo de Kwadwo Osebonsu te second round the 4 goalkeepers ena be adwuma Richard Atta ewo ho na Kwesi Inketia na Sharif ena Kwadwo Osebonsu na omo de be adwuma omo say nyame pa Sunday Ghana Premier League no second round no resume na enu ntino omo said omo adapt Soga Kope Wafa Park no asato folk omo home pitcher omo be bo adwuma omo so mpese omo Pentago Pramano so nyina rainbow colors no nto bia game against Real Tamale United Wafa Park bia amro Soga Kope na bianya fine na say omo so operation no asi emfiri ho na Roma coach even Kwabena Amisa ono so ne so wakọ sign contract at the Ama Division 1 club ye friend Mighty Royals ho na coach even Kwabena Amisa akọ say o di ne dwuma eso e de ama wo mo eno e de ete no yenyina so na nsem no ye boaboa no ne mfansi na bedwafo enwuram kakra eso emfa emaye papa nyame adom na so
nyame adom yenwie de ye na hwe aban hwehwe o de egu akwam say yenya Africa Games na bibia ntimi nye kama na yentu anamo pa na emfa enye nneoma ma ne nkonkan na yentimi enye kwan e befa so a sports no be peja na yakobo teman na bibia ye kama na asem papa
oh yeah
na hwe infrastructure omampani atwa piti boteman the aquatic center the tennis court
okay
the volleyball and indoors game court na hwe dwuma aban na ye wo ho na and the natural say Ghana no ya ready say you will host Africa Games.
Oh sure.
Na we na Akufo-Addo no modern mo botema ho na nneoma mienu na e ka kire ensisi ase. Say hwehwe nneoma ye ne boy ebre ya. Sa Africa Games we no ebroni say a unique opportunity for us to build our infrastructure beyond football. So the be kind of same football pitch na okọ hana baby omugina sesi a we o TV ni Facebook no hana we betima ball Grand Slam ni awa.
Oh wow.
Standardized court standard. Na hano
there's a Rafael Nadal. Na ni
betima. Omo practice court 4.
Wow.
Yewo 10 lane Olympic swimming pool.
Wow.
Our aquatic center ho etimi hosti major international event bia and yes our volleyball look come on
o ade na efe but mo yese
nyamo yen
ni say no Ghana your major problem say NSA boss na ebusa no munya Alumama stadium dia no ma me anka me pe
kana conference yo a edi free bottom akura bi ase ba afa na edi ba be gu ade anim say omo madware ano na ya asem ni nia
because agene be na efe
na make
ekwa be fa so a ye be bo ho ban ene ebi ni say 2008 yeah yeah
akomia koye no hu say engineer say NPK
fertilizer
na make up na ya can say
just oma dilute no
grass we no dey oma ye no opaki kofa ammonium then park na say fun be the menses park we so grass no enye grass twetan
tamale dia
o twakai upon travel the saying now park with me see obi nyeze obi see me am see na dem nzizo
oh yeah
then no ma be kasa ntino de you wey free on yankoba aban ba so na aban ti ma yes games ni ni awie no na e bisa say ko see say so ye dwuma nyina ne say we ba na kotra bi awuda ha ya mpra obe ba na akonya ne ba ko abu yen yesu ba no obi anim yen so that's it we no nya asem bia o so betena do da on sasho da mi frema ade we e be good kire say yeah, it's a swimming championship be.
Dabi.
Good. Until it's a West Africa swimming championship. No lobby na ba.
Okay.
So I say, Gusa, West Africa University. Omoye sombe swimming games bia emraha.
No ajaba.
So I say, hano enye bebia. Ye and a corporate games and a fun games a standardized area.
Okay.
And so we know so my bacteria bia koma. This is draining you in the every. But I say I can't. Ntia boss aka we no na se wan hwe ni ye de na enye obi asem
ene misusa nka ye wie a omompe private investor
private no ono no de nisika ebeshem na wanya de afrim. That is the first problem.
Okay.
The private man is a profit driven man. Nti so oba na obeji ade we a e de na odi beshem because aban na asi de na onu di be wurem a obepe so mfaso no onfa remai aban na asi na de nti na o se ko fresa nipa ne se wo be so na fa ade we na hwe na ye ni ye na nkonkan o soso so a na o soso bone so.
Okay.
Na mum e ma bi nsi da se ne ye pese ye wa ha no ye be ya Africa Games so ye wie no na Jeff Mako ye meet on kan se o ma sesa no so what I say ade we na aba no a ye bo aban ba so ni nyuma pa o de gu akwami infrastructure unprecedented sports infrastructure development no ni ani say ye be see university wo botema ho.
Okay.
Yes, the administration block near we. It is a university now by yes, so you're
ebe go waste.
Nothing there was a would ye be beyond the conquer. Hey, your infrastructure. Me say a first class Olympic standard infrastructure development by the government. And a Olympic qualifiers or games nimbi on.
Okay.
So what I say. A first class infrastructure development at the very highest level. Now, okay, kwa siwa. Uko si ade we are. And any part of them.
Oh yeah.
Good. Into where I was here, you know. Now no kwan me call no kran no munyanwie.
Oh, I didn't dare fair.
Enti ekosi say we bisa say. EFO and Olympic Park na da ho no. Running track into we na ekosi saying. How no asem ni agina o. Jeff. Timan to Ghana for say. Any date saying?
And 19th
day. Fantastic. Jeff, me catch your pain in Ghana for you and you may say Ghana athlete back will qualify for the Olympic Games.
Sir.
Deadline here 24th April. Now to qualify one athlete to the Olympic Games, it takes minimum $70,000 to qualify one athlete to the Olympic Games. I was say, you call last one was Japan you know. Nipa ne shasi any competition no ye event no they build the points. You be the first 64 on the ranking in every event omo qualify automatically.
Okay.
Na so one event obey that qualify. Hey, me can say no. One way fe nye Ghana for na be games wo. Na ya bomb ba so. Badminton. Omo nyanko kam. Hey, oh massa.
13 days to go.
Oh, now they are no. Oh, they are no. Hey, Open Ghana, Team Ghana. Omo media attache ye hwan. So person o ka team Ghana, o ma ho boabo ho nsem a. Hwan na obekwa kosi no so?
So aka asemo.
Enti musi ade ne kama wie ye no. Nipa na he mo baba ha me catch open. Badminton na me focus on ene. Nipa oye badminton president no. Yeboa. Minim from KNUST.
Okay.
1998 Ghana team e de call Kuala Lumpur. Malaysia 98 no on the bomber. Manchester in 2002 okoy. And what man wa be president. Your capacity building pact, partnership and technical development act. China any India omuni badminton ne bopa.
Yeah.
Omuni amaya foforo. Kiti de ebe na wiye no ye ni abre papa hwe Ghana na kufa do dwuma ye no yeso ye be ye de asoso. Ke Ghana eteha no mu benefit from Saudi no. Ena Benin ni Togo. Ebe ka che Ghana for no say yesre mo proposal ye tro de konya sa benefit na enu ntimu players enu mu coaches ni timi ko India ene China. Ebra India for the China for na afa ho ka no mu ntro bi mayen.
Okay.
Ya tro proposal na mo amene omo no timi ko India and China Ghana for no timi nko adikini badminton fashion trim say Togo any Benin e was say Ghana avoid the omo at all costs and yes sir just a home advantage
Semasi
good Malaysia 98 no eni enya Raymond na Chairman Rollins no time no wo coach a friend Jose Castellanos na ofri Cuba ona na coach on na bisa ho se Ghana Cuba Corporation na ema yenya asade no ene ewen ene ye one 2 boxers ben ne de omoko ha because look Africa Games we no 2003
ya obukum tilapia
na make catch se baby ade na duru no banku anye tilapia na be
na no one tin nsem no kan
no bisa se banku na mu no omadi na tilapia na e ka no nipa na oni ne onu kura tuo na oni ni kochi aboa no aboa na chenare wa okura boto no da so gina ho
waso je bia ne papa ntimi
Africa Games no adwuma o ma hyehyɛ no ti na me kan pa menua now no omo yes simulation of cars koye be fa so movie any central for baby am be fa akọ na ma bomensem what ke na ni nyina awia Ghana no ya yesa infrastructure we A plus masa cars no o hwe so a cars e dey koye Africa Games no anya adwuma ketwa eno so A plus na ye wia what are you talking about ye wia there na e be kan infrastructure na say medals good enu nti na wia ye ni abre en say look mpanyin form o mani nko ho asesa amanfo dem akogu Cape Coast yes minister akosra team Ghana for no problem athletics coach there na Adeba badminton coach enya ha no ena na Akufo-Addo be say ena wa obeji gold e wa ha bia no me ma $5,000 debi so one ko practice ya with my promising the pan $80,000 enye yi
yeah
2003 Nigeria nya medals pa but the kum sa 4x1 final na Ghana for no koyo mo adwuma ho so that say
yeah
Aziz Zakaye Leo Miles Mills Eric Nkansa sa Abuja 2003 race no nhwebi na mira misrebi sa se ne Joe Paul akasa o na unim dia lata for ne de omo ba na
dabi
again mama a graphic of Olympic qualifying events no na manfo hu ne ekoso se ne ye kan no 24th April and a deadline
okay
Ghana o man no obi an qualify number 1 that's Sompa then
athletics
fantastic news number 1 then fantastic news
2 and
number 1 then
athletics
fantastic news enti ha no so oba na be fa ne la now meet Olympic time na okọ
udam
Rose amwanima
yeah
me hwe ni mu so betima baby bi wa na emum ye problem ni nyina ne say esan say Ghana ye modern mo ye dey organize games no na ye we ni delay games no afei na ye boys no to indoor intino ompia abontimpo na be tumika e wo the natural air environment in January, February, March, I find an athlete be air building the fitness.
Okay.
Into the outdoor season, where free them air bar abonting. But what I say,
yeah,
there's a problem there. Until kakra. Lechilo Tebogo. Ma.
Or said deche, you know, Kobe.
Good. I didn't hear. Or make it time, no?
Or really, dear.
We qualify for the Olympic Games. But one and boy, into your baha was starting season on full fitness. Or be forced so talk about one I say Kim or be pra. No. Has demonstration in me techri. Ni pasa asem hawa. I was say utimi koka wasem. Oma bo akambi abo dote abo Dr. Nyaho togbe na nkasa omo enya ansa omo pe anu yie no omo enya nti na ne ehu be hia se ombe to anamon no masesa nioma oma ya de metie wa yo nsem na oka no mesi me da ho anadwo be 11:30 na house fair me players on person mo transfer no de ma team bi ntina enya ho krata na msa aka transfer deadline 30 minutes we be happen at the player no ko player no ko wa contract contract no with us they are not happy even they buy amfa we buy amfa yes has ho nsem no edoso then I'm try
I'm say MD for the past day MD bia we dey free abrochi no
and now mo fa bi wa ya me boa ekosi sembeba
but we cry now I'm say obezi wa abrochi.
Then the bigger problem is that and then has no fans no adwe so mo ntiase wa yo interview ni na de ehu pa ne say wa yo timi agina TV so akasa say or kon the ama supporters e bisa ne say NCC chairman we a or say NCC chairman de on fa ne ka ho because
si achichiri ne nsa gu na chi
enche bia na NCC chairman demonstration ama GFA press conference and the NCC chairman has asemo
was won yin nimpo se the time na so beto apeke form biem.
Look, this is not has
sir
Debbie
has ni nim nye ni
Debbie has supporters.
Even the supporters or more about Bontino, is it encouraging?
Very encouraging. And me omo nsuo ta happen treni a me hu abas not obi.
Okay.
We money omo a omo adwe omo say odo treni a kan bia kama to gbe hu say omo no ye radicals. But has for no omo ani omo message ni quite clear. Baby our has for no omo ani nje.
I'm so more revive the soul.
Exactly. It's look so a deeper 5 grand I demonstration here. This me how much.
Okay.
I'm going to leave you open. On the Danny Jar.
No, me say there's a shit
fa. Otoado. Okache is untimi nye adwuma no full time.
CBC na adwuma sesa.
O jai Dortmund adwuma no because Otoado the biggest problem was job security.
Yeah.
Ghana adwuma chine bi time UAD. Mo se ne obre nyina no.
Ayekwa.
Nti ene no me pese me hu se den na asesa. Like get it. And then asesa and the chairman did this with my adwuma no. 15 years no or qualification no. Your man am the Bible
proving winner.
Matias here. Ntino say wa me I don't think he's the front runner.
Edia qualify.
Oh, you proving winner.
Say one of those things I me ataminjin this is the front runner. One of those things they've planted.
Okay.
I'm going to test waters now. I have no problem with him being Black Stars coach. Name baby if we get our next appointment wrong, you be call for the next 5 years.
Me da say Papa Pokuna Otene can I Sompa 93.1 FM so shootout na wuti na me call Michael Akomia the sports Mizaya.
Yes. Mami to some fanfare. Remember say Professor Mentas so aka say big akra. Now Professor Mentas sem na wo ka no
Joseph Kwame Minta. Oh, legacy no person.
I've known Professor Minta from UCC days.
Okay.
I've known him. Me sheda na ni Sarah Poba, I've known him and I've known his works. Anyhow, we sit it here. But Luther, this is going to be a big test for him, especially with the choice of Coach Ebefa for the Black Stars.
I'll pick on the fundamental.
Already know there are questions about Coach Scrumpa, your form for your junior level national teams. Name say the bedrock of any success story. Be the main national team at some points at a point in time. Now within those particular reigns, anybody in our form under 15, Bishop under 15 in that so yeah, Juma. under 15 coach Ayafano, under 17 Lai Kinson, you will say under 20, you will say Desmond of Fair Munan and the move for under 23 for Modomoko. The roadmap in any baby and in Nana. There are differences even in the approach of some of these teams as compared to even the senior national team. How well are you even going to plan a system when you're from this stage, promotion and demotion and a day? And I say transition, quite be fast we be moving from one stage to another. You be free and fair. Near to media achieve BB. Every time now and then, obi a cab and coffee asem. Didn't know be a bob and coffee abaso. Everyone speaks about Ben Kofi because there was a 5 years developmental plan.
Yeah.
Which say you implement it. You implement it, so you resource. Because it is because of the 5 years developmental plan. And Ghana had the opportunity to go and play in the first World Cup.
In 2006.
And the same 5 years developmental plan, you know, so fast. And it's in Ghana under 20 World Cup in 2009. And Sanya Manan ye did who. Ye did 2015. And within that particular period of time, look at the performances of the national teams at every single level. Yankotoso even third. Under 20 World Cup after CAG 2009. And how many tournaments were we missing? Tournaments wasn't announced the Ghana but 1 year missing. And they won under 17 African Cup of Nations are Ghana him. You won under 20 African Cup of Nations are Ubebusa was a Ghana way. Not to even talk about the World Cup. You won under 23 and see you won under 23 with Morocco. You could see say. Your local team in terms of Chan, team any Yomoko. Yenya de kwana tama introduce Chan me sha say about Chan Ghana nya kwenya about finals. Beboa.
Enokre.
Away.
You
see, he needs to walk the talk. And personally, I've lost trust in him. So obetimi adane Ghana football aye ni ye. Edi enti na me lose trust in Professor Menta. Na only one man na Benale pe wo. What kind of influence did he have? And even if between or no any Benali pay, one away influence.
But say Biani and mantle man as the technical.
No, you don't need to be given a mantle first before you can do a job. Definitely, I was saying no support to actually. Any the other camera boy, aman you met me a tumpong. Luther Okani and Tia we for so said you man to us all.
Javi.
Yet the show opa unyai. So you kept quiet. Your football na in limbo. Our football is totally down. I fear the man also be any year. Has a court down one bobo. Court down one bobo no eno. And I mean it's high time we need to be very serious or close him. Ya kofa bibi ba say Ghana football be book be a culture the aba book na way. Ye implement it.
Yes, no kin.
You see? We need to see evidence. Kasane ya doso. Ene boshe na doso. Ejuma no wetimi aya. Mumi ehunu evidence. You are capable of doing it, Prof. Prof, you're very capable. I know say Prof you're capable. This is different from my ability so betimi ayo.
Me candidates with dwarfs.
Prof betimi aya the way easy. But my question na me busa me hone say, where is the accountability? As at when na one Benale pen na ye adwuma. Yeah, and then
but I come here be a young pattern kakre because you say bit on say be a na advice be what the man na onfa because you more assistant coaches be a ombeka say omo can be the main bosses na omo mfa nya adwuma so now no wabekasa ne legacy the odeba on board mom yama ne bre ne nyu so onu an west to judge him.
First of all, me nka so ntimi nye because me so what ability and capabilities to do it. My main concern is say, how has he actually been accountable for Ghana quite fast? So am I able to call for in recent years? You are not a part of it. There is nothing that he has said. There is nothing that he has done to show so you are accountable to that. Meanwhile, you are part of the regime. You move with them. If there's accountability, there's trust. If there's no accountability, trust be any baby.
Okay.
It also Timmy Chre Bibi and Timmy Komi Hunu Bibi. Say at least he did something. He pushed something. He spearheaded something. Let's take it so on a normal layman. And you be a bear about Timmy and Akachirobi.
Dabi.
Utimi Chobiska Kranoma Yedina Techri. What did they mention as no? But when it comes to job and you are being accountable to something, Ghana ni otifi no nimse Professor Mentana ye part oni be na lepe na ye adwuma. Meboa. Dia na ye. But what have you done to bring it out for Ghanaians to understand? Say, hey, nipa de Ghana football yi share nsa so be technical director ni juma say na nsi no ye boy. During time ani ye dey. Ni wo. It is had the share nsa so nsa be ya. Me say nyoma betima koye dia ma ye pa. But as it stands, I think Ghanaians are even angry with everything that goes on at the FA, how football is being developed in this country, and how poor infrastructures are. Said a baby to me, Obama Ghana, to me, fan into my party in Ghana football as a whole. It's a Luther. Made this thing, dear. A year, dear, by a money trim crown to us. You heard you bet me, and running crab. You see, time and patience will always prove what was right and what was wrong. Bibia baby, and so on. Oh, but not the paper crew and see the Omokai. Hey, do maybe a so my party ways. Time and patience, they be prove they are right and they are wrong. Then never me only say we now have to folk supporters. What would team in the Cremoda? I know more supporters leader and I say football is in safe hands. Me what? As a supporters leader, one call for so many supporters so soon and now we demonstration here board. So if football is in safe hands, what is the essence of doing demonstration?
He's nowhere to be found. I say Omachichi and say Agunechi. And now even the supporters no Quran are fed up with Elvis. Many House of Folk supporters are fed up with Akambi and Odo to show. Oh yeah. They are fed up because only be dear actually Edim Komo Wachra or more some bitterness be womu. Luther, they are fed up. And House of Folk and Kasano. In terms of Tobe, it is not broken. And yes, I say Tobe is the best in my House of Folk. My quality they mention as he has invested. And you're not being the largest share of House of Folk. One more infrastructure, the boy. She plays for cinema House of Folk this particular window. Yeah. You know what I mean? The whole concept comes to do with organizational structure, line of communication, line of authority or House of Folk. Who say the time is due for Odote Suwane? And these are two people who are not living. It is a Tobe Philly say, Wemumi no. Ome Boa and I say Wemumi no, Omu good enough. You have various businesses. From Koho. Move them there. But also football people. And some of your football people now expect to say be a here more than limit their power. What's the House of Folk here new faces? House of Folk needs new faces, especially when it comes to baby Odo Tene. Also, there be no more point in managing director. Because House of Folk waste this car. Delali uncle. They are wasting money. Almost more Ankasa Ghanaian coach. Literally Ankasa no. The managing director will be doing nothing at House of Folk. Nothing. I can't be more than a jumana. Just a shadow. Not even a boka gugu. The Ebasana, we are managing director now bar. You're more the free hands to operate. Free hands, baby. Huh? I come here and tell you what would you report to the managing director? And the managing director will be reporting to Akami and tell you what. No, Asana Akami and tell you what, so they are coming to be. So yes, be kokoti won form as ombe aluta tia. It's organizational structure lo. Togbe no wo ho, but House of Folk dey na yehunu nyina na yese. Bibi a wo ase na top level management ni etogbe odete so wane. Akambi omo na big. Omo na big voice or big voice. E House of Folk. Because omo na far flight ba Abidjan be hwe coach ni be di nko. Omo lande ya na ehunu so ma lande. Ana mo ba Abidjan ye bo afcon no be coach ana mo say adwuma no so from there no oba managing director no never twice they say managing director no will have to also report to them if decisions doesn't go where managing director let me say crocodile the journal be to ba also I feel there omo AGM no dey wan hwa no ma bebrebe si wasi o omo AGM ultimi nya hwe na largest holder oba kire wa because at the end of the day Togbe will vote bebrebe me no ebi di nkomo wa kire omo say na tobacco has din no de kwaje bosia na sika no was hand bomb bosia na omunim the amount na nkasa kra has din no de kwaje bosia property na hwan dia I say Glazers in Manchester property na hwan dia
Any Glazers in there.
Usukra no more.
You see, but you can raise your concern about Toby. Me believe so Toby on your shake he has done enough for us.
Oh yeah. We should probably my project. We should a year or more.
The biggest problem is Toby trusting Akambi and Odotesowa, making them set organizational structure in the club. No more line of power no osoro. Or more line of authority no osoro.
Because if you cry say because of Akambi ne Odotenti, ama heart of big men kwadodo na kwatiada.
And Elijah Akambi doesn't respect the supporters.
That one today where you can.
Omo for money.
So Sebi, omo ye captain.
Now Akambi some audios be some time ago be last year mo so got TB ni dem ko TB. He doesn't respect the supporters. Omo bia. The only time I was a Vincent ni obi anya kikiki at the sports stadium where Vincent nya cook asa.
But as heart of supporters na omo ko too much. I say it's omo kwa to sa nkofono omo personality. Because it's what you can say na odeto free house bar Kim Faisa ye pamono ofro okoye eko parliament oko one term or no akasa ni printing press agu as because of heart of folk omo attack or no personality.
The pedigree of House of Folk any omo level of Moses you know any kwanso do te so one can be taking decisions my House of Folk per footballing structure when it comes to sports young game taking decisions although they might be good administrator. Also, you can be a good administrator, but not as necessarily as a football person. I bet me a boy. Bibi to say, "Mami use a Woodward as an example." Nobody loved the Woodward because the Woodward no. What can Woodward don't consign play? I'm not going negotiations. You be no. You make a kind of reaction. But because Woodward and Kofa Adidas beam round for my sponsor, a Woodward can get you about £900 million sterling commercial.
Yeah. Obi on the field.
Obi on the field. So me want to say Odote in terms of their sporting decisions for House of Folk no and said that they need hands like maybe a House of Folk now they need more than Odote so why and Akambi to be taking decisions when it comes to sporting decisions or House of Folk. They need people like on run a club not as a football club not as an entity. Then every Odote so no Akambi so a business partner they can move there and also help. And I say a phone is soon. And you necessarily say to bring you if Togbe feels or a more trusted manner, get people who are real football people who understand modern day football to run the club. Running of modern day football. You see, already the various procedures in if I told you some of the amount of money some things are paying your players, any Tanzania need you more Mudini how more run clubs, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. Obidi $5,000 for House of Folk. Now we let you have his conconi. Younger for any someone in Colon Cross on Cono.
Because of Scourge.
Have his conconi J no less than $6,000. And we are some money fear team. Money car could train the funny than a coba. Or guess no crack and see $7,000.
Or convertible Bibri.
Yeah, more guests in Okra 4-bedroom house in beach side.
Wow.
Canada in a supermarket bar.
Wow.
Got to turn your man had not be fee.
Your football, we have a lot to do and be improving. And our club
administrators are not helping. And you be behind a GFU. This is your investment. Protect it. And you be behind a GFU. Luther, GFU, you are born for clubs, no incompetence. Clubs no honest, no more level of incompetence. Meaning say GFN the mother body to control. Ebi or regulatory bi ni maybe or set na regulations bi or di go akwam a. Ebi ebetimi aboy strict ama teams that ma act. But sometimes when you sit down as an investor, when I catch a House of Folk so called CAF Champions League year after year Katogo on Teneka.
Abeti.
Debi atogbe ebo cannot the club na pay loan. Now if you say ko born academia onya scan ska koba what the day what the loan day. Oh, because these Tanzanian clubs, they are playing African Cup of CAF Champions League and Confederations Cup year after year. And the level of consistency opens you up to good commercial deals.
She just ended AFCON.
Good commercial
South
deals.
Africa. Players are Mamlodi Sundowns players or mobile. She image Ediama omu PSL no.
Me call ye asek mi mosa. Omo ton academy player 4 million euros.
Wow. 4 million.
Me call na player no mo de na call.
Menka the last time cra Ghana had ton ye Premier League player. Cra me fan say even $500,000.
Ah, Luther. Baby abenya says can be near Division 1, Division 2 nkulane say no. Because Mooney says say no. Omo ba kroma no be top player na a Premier League player no dey 25 years ah.
Omo say na number 30
something. So I say omo ko junior levels no. On sa feeder clubs they pick those players. Maybe omo ma senior team ni be 6 months. January so na we so no amanaba. Party them mention. But a high time I was say your club administrators net here say hunu say. Enye bibia na GFA be so on Saturday at trade ahye wanum. Know your investment, understand your investment. Know what you want to do and come and achieve it. Now the Premier League became autonomous not because bia omo English FA in the car said, but they became autonomous and powerful because the clubs were even generating a lot of things. Luther, clubs ni be share Richard Keys more meetings as someone will catch it all no. Then abe because a club is generating a club like Wolves ne loot him generating be 20 million pounds and 30 million pounds. They are top player, they are generating money. So how do you take decisions for them? I bet you so if it's a house of folk, and a good structure, house of folk, a good sporting project, omu ye bibi, omu consistently CAF Champions League, CAF Confederations Cup. They be omu boske back club ni mo. Do you think so omu call baby I take decision bi anomu di so? How start time si kan omu de ba akomeje.
Bra say yamfa ensia bra na nya bre. Mama the messages for Facebook by nyɛ dem Star Boy Anthony Opon Kafefe GH na eye Samdan na Nana Kekusi Derek Aite Os Malik na Drew Man Steven Owusu Echao Tony Starks na Nana Adu Dankwa Nane na Lion Ba Mike munyina no yɛ dem ase pa akrasi happy birthday once again Yankopon sharp edo bibia ase wote Papa Pokunka Sasuna Sports Mizaya